Hello, people who may or may not be watching this. What I'm doing in this video is building a gate. I'll show you that in a minute. But all you need to know to build this is it's based off of this concept. Actually, you need to do this little thing one more time. So the whole concept is based on this. Okay? This is what the whole concept is based on. Crap. Whole concept is based on this. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, dude. The whole concept is based on this. When you push this button, these two torches go off, which makes this torch go off. Well, which makes this torch go on, which turns this torch off, which makes that retract. Now, sorry about my voice being so quiet there, dirt. So now, what's basically going on here is you're basically building that only on a bigger scale. So this is my combination. So as you can see, one of them's still on, which lets a ton of other ones still be on. So then I just turn this off. And then now all of these are on, which turns all of these off, which is eventually going to even out into one, which I'm going to show you. But first let's turn these off. So with that concept in mind, oh dude. What the hell? Okay, anyway. So, this concept in mind, you're just gonna keep building it. Get out of here, cow, Jesus. So you're just gonna keep building it, like so, because now that that's off, bam, bam, bam. So yeah, I think you get the point of how and where this is going. Get out of here, stupid pig. Anyway, so now just so your eyes don't go insane from the amount of orange I'm using, I'm gonna switch to lime green. Now that those are turned off, it'll turn... Haha, drown, bitch. So yeah, this whole thing is what the basic concept's based on. That setup I didn't really think I needed to show you because it's pretty simple. Just a repeater, redstone, redstone, redstone repeater there, redstone torch there, but that's what this whole concept is based on. This whole thing is based on that one concept. So now basically, what you're doing is you're thinning out the redstone to this one redstone stream line, or whatever you're gonna call it. So now what this redstone line is gonna do is it's gonna carry the redstone. Let's use orange. I love orange. Anyway, it's gonna carry your redstone back over to here. Like so. Now you need your sticky pistons again. You're just gonna place them like so. So when they're extended, the block's gonna be there. They need to be back one more. So when they're extended, they're gonna be there. So yeah, now, just build what I showed you before. With the, redstone repeaters and redstone. Like so. Now by lighting it up, all four of them will be extended. So now, all that's left to do is the initial redstone gate stuff, link all of this crap up. So I think that's going to be it for part 1. Join in next time to see how to do the, you know, thing. Actually, the annotation to part number 2 will be right there. Okay, so that's it for part number 1, and I will see you guys later. So, peace.